You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about probability of rolling 2 dice and the probability of drawing a playing card. Okay? For example, if we were to pretend that you were rolling 2 dice, one is a purple die and the other is a green die. If you rolled a 1 and a 1, that's a 2, right? If you rolled a 5 and a 4, that makes 9, right? These are all the possible outcomes of rolling 2 dice. So if you see, there are 36 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gives you 36 different outcomes. So what is the probability of rolling a 2? There's only 1 2 out of 36. So the probability of rolling a 2 is just 1 out of 36. What's the probability of rolling a 12? That would also be 1 out of 36. What's the probability of rolling a 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 36. That reduces to 1/9. And what's the probability of rolling a 7? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 36. And if you notice on a 7 is the only number that you can roll with a number on each die. What do I mean by that? You can roll a 7 with a 1. A 1 with a 6 makes 7. You couldn't roll a 10 if you rolled a 1, right? On one of the die, right? So you can get a 7 with each possible number on a die. So that's what makes 7 the most likeliest number. This is why casinos always win with dice games, really with all games, because you're gonna roll a 7 more often, and when you get a 7, you lose. Okay, so that's what makes 7 or 6 out of 36 the highest probability. Okay, what's the probability of rolling a 10? That would be 3 out of 36 or 1 out of 12. Okay. When it comes to playing cards, you've got 4 what are called suits. They're called suits. You've got spades, you have clubs, you have diamonds, you have hearts. Okay? In each suit, you have ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, and king. There's 13 cards in each suit. Okay? So, what's the probability, for example, of randomly picking the 5 of clubs? Well, there's only one card that's the 5 of clubs in the entire deck. A deck is 52 cards because 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 is 52. So the probability of getting the 5 of clubs is 1 out of 52. What's the probability of getting the ace of diamonds? That's also 1 out of 52. What's the probability, though, of getting any ace? Well, there's 4 aces out of 52, 4 out of 52. Or, if you think about it, 4 out of 52 reduces or simplifies to 1 out of 13, because out of 13 cards, there's 1 ace in each suit, so 1 out of 13. What's the probability of getting any red card? Any card that's red? Well, there's 13 plus 13 is 26 out of 52, or just half, right? Half of the cards are red, half of the cards are black. So the probability of randomly picking a red card would be 1/2. What's the probability of picking any face card? Well, that's going to be 3, 6, 9, 12 out of 52, or just 3 out of 13, right? Any face card. Okay. What's the probability of getting any 9. Any 9. Well, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 52, or 1 out of 13. You've been watching the Weiss channel.